official yet, right? Is there a chance? Sorry, mali ako. Sorry. Sorry. So, walang forever. Wala pang forever. Ayan. This girl remind me of Maine Mendoza. Sobrang playful, no? Siya si Yaya Dab. Malikot. Okay, to start off, para po sa ating 18 bills, tawagin natin si Mr. Smog, Jack Aguilar. Come on over, Jack. King Ezra Sarmiento. Yeah, on her dress. Siguro dito sa part ng cloth kasi yung chiffon baka mag-grand to. Somewhere here. Or dito sa ayans. Yes, sa tulle ng ball gown.
Tingin, Kim.
Oo daw. They're requesting that mag-facing there daw sa audience so they can see. Ayan. So adjust na lang yung ating You can go ahead and dance. It's okay. You're safe because it's actually a big ball gown, so hindi talaga magtutusok yung skin mo dyan. Tita Ivy Amores first. Tita Ivy po muna. There. I assume you're the mom. Kaya, I know. I overheard her say, ang gwapo ni Ai. Sabi ko, here's the mom. Joke lang po. Gwapo naman si Ai. There you go. Thank you so much. Picture. Asa talaga. Picture!
Picture.
Kim Ezra Sarmiento. He's not, sorry. James Storio.
James Dario.
There you go, James. Nag-effort pa. Nag-long sleeves.
Why there?
Why there? Picture. Thank you. Lucky daw yan pag pregnant. That's your luckiest bill. I suggest itago mo yan sa wallet mo. Correct. Picture. Now let's have Mr. J. Gordon. Front, back, sides. Now let's have Jerry. Yes. It's okay, tinatagod naman kahit may mga small holes yung parent. Now let's have Jao Ramos. Gamayla. Arlene Gamayla, please. Yeah, it has to be a pin. Hindi partible. Oh, hindi par... sorry. Darnaila. We apologize for that. Arlene Darnaila. There you go. Thank you so much. Jao Ramos. Thank you. Now let's have Jose Marie Bautista. Thank you so much. Now let's have Sunny June Castillo. Kenneth Ibay. Thank you so much. Now let's have Lucy Dormiendo. Palakpakan naman po natin those who shared their blessings for tonight para sa ating debutant. Let's give them a big round of applause. Maraming salamat po for sharing. And hopefully, that will go a long way at magamit sa better purpose as always. Okay, thank you so much. So, makakaupo ka na as we call in those who will offer gifts naman sa'yo.
Hi. Hi. Hindi, happy birthday. Sana mabubuan ka na. Kasi, it's been 3 years.
No, 2 weeks.
Oh, 2. Ayun.
Sige, almost na lang. Almost.
Almost 3.
Okay.
Almost 3.
Para safe.
Ayun. Wala lang, stay pretty. Stay pader.
For what?
Pader daw.
Pader.
I know what that means.
Ayun. Stay giraffe daw. Hindi, wait. Wala lang. Love na love ka ng JMR sila. Ay. Babalik siya, huwag kang mag-alala. Nandun ako. Yun na, happy birthday.
Thank you. Next we have Chai Gabotero.
Magbatangkad ka pa lalo and nandito lang kami GMRC para sa'yo. Love ka namin and stay pretty and stay pa there. Yun lang.
Stay pader.
Thank you. Now let's have
Hi, pader.
Dito.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Yun. Wala. Happy birthday ka, Freddy.
relatives na sila lang talaga yung nakakaintindi.
Hans, happy birthday.
Pwede lumapit. It's okay. Charlene Wong.
Happy birthday, Chazamine. Ayun, wish you all the best. Nandito na naman ako love. Love you.
Love you. So girly. Now let's have Kim Sarmian. Now let's have Janica Villanueva. She goes. Oh, sweet.
Sabi ko,
Oh, dapat share yung message. It's not between the two of you girls. Sa ating lahat. So,
hindi ko tinatanong niya ng regalo.
hindi nyo nahintay yung open. Message for her, please.
Hello. Happy 18th birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you sa lahat. Ay, una sa lahat, thank you sa pagiging best friend mo sa akin. Salamat sa mga secrets na hindi mo sinishare kahit sa kanilang dalawa. Ingat ka lagi at una, pag move on ka, hindi na babalik. Hindi babalik. At yun lang. Saka, tanggalin ko na daw siya sa death note mo. Thank you.
Ay, ganda, picture tayo.
Claire Liwana, sorry.
Happy birthday! Di ka na-age ka na. Pwede na tayong ikulong.
Yes.
Salamat kasi kapag mag-overnight tayo, dumidepende ako sa'yo. Go ka lang na go. Tsaka namimiss ko na yung pag-overnight natin. I love you. Sweet.
Overnight tayo ngayon. May picture ni Claire.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Giraffe!
Ano
18
ka?
ka na.
He just called her giraffe.
Sila po kasi siya eh. Happy birthday, binata ka na. Pwede ka na mag-MP. Alisin mo na ako sa death list mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, nag-miss ka na natin. Love you.
So, she's keeping a death list.
Just a joke.
I know.
Walang joke to.
I actually have a long list. Now let's have, diba? Angeline Lopez.
Ayan, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless inyo palagi. Ayan.
Picture, picture.
Errol Lopez.
Happy birthday and salamat din mga family.
May picture.
Smile. Happy birthday, girl. Ito ang sabi sa kanya.
Ano? Ano ba?
Ano daw? Naya ako. Is that English?
Picture tayo.
Picture daw. Lights, please. Lights. Thank you. Now let's have Miss Pauline El Perez, his sister.
Ayan, may give ako sa'yo. Ayan, sana huwag ka na maging maldita, minsan, ganyan. na-high blood sa'yo si Mami at si Daddy. Oh, nagre-react. So, ayun, kahit ako minsan na-high blood ako sa'yo, grabe, pinaksa mo talaga. May laman yan. May laman yan. So, ayun, kahit ganyan ka, giraffe, ganon, pwede Aguilar, ganyan, medyo may pagka-tarantado, ganyan. Ayun, partners in crime tayo, ganyan, sige, love kita. Love you, pangit.
Make sure, power hug daw. Power hug. Ayaw. There. Alcohol-free naman to, because this is red wine. Ay, may napa-ay dun sa side. Yes, darling, it's alcohol-free. We need more. So, sino mga participants for the 18 shots? Go get a goblet for yourself. Sige na. Ay, alcohol-free naman po. It's red wine. How are you feeling right now? Bago pa yung message mo later. What are the changes that you're feeling? Are you feeling something na iba na kagaya nung kahapon sa ngayon kasi you're 18 today?
No, it's still the same.
Still the same, no?
Yes. But
Girls?
I'm happy and at the same time I'm so nervous right now because
Ay, nag-comment na to.
maybe I'm just excited about tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah, because
I don't
finally you're already 18, so legal age na yan for a girl. Any plans?
Any plans? Maybe just keep on swimming.
Actually, you're a swimmer.
Yes, I'm a mermaid.
I know. Ako yung past life ko siguro mermaid siya.
Yes, I'm a mermaid.
Ako yung may past life, kaya mo na yun, past is past. Tawag dito. I wanna ask my dear friend here kung ano yung past life nito. So, ayan. Ganun pa
Ganyan pa
rin.
din.
Same as your past life. So now that you're 18, so marami ng mga, I'm sure there are a lot of things running in your mind right now, like after your studies. I know for now wala ka pang boyfriend, but
Yes, I don't like it.
you don't
I
like
don't
the
like
idea.
having a boyfriend.
For now,
Yes.
I know. Parang,
But tomorrow, I don't know.
oo. Live by the day ka nga, di ba? You never know what tomorrow is gonna offer. Okay. So while we're still preparing the wine, ano?
Ang tagal.
I saw like the way you said it, ang tagal. Parang so bored. Anyways,
Let's drink that na.
let's drink to that.
Wala bang ano dyan? Masayang kanta.
Like what song? Is there any song that you'd like to request from our booth? DJ, listen to this.
Yung like, oh my God, funny siya. Never mind.
Sir, wala pa kayong narinig? Wala naman, okay. Sige. Mamaya na yan, maaga pa.
Mamaya na yan, after 12.
I'm so excited with the AVP that the friends prepared. 6
Oh no,
minutes
kinabahan
now.
ako to.
I know.
Hindi ko yun alam.
If only you can do auto-edit agad, no?
Gusto ko sali kay tissue. Yay!
Come on, guys! Join us here. Dito tayo. Let's join her. Dito tayo. Come on, come on. Guys, let's go!
Uy, picture na. Next, sama ko muna dito kami girls lang. Next!
The boat is sinking. Come on, dito na kasi iba sa kabila.
Wait lang po, picture lang. Bilis ka.
Guys, huwag na kayong magpanggap. Come on, let's do this. Ayan! And those who are seated, come on guys, taas niyo yung mga goblets. Pwede. Come on guys, everybody here. Kayo, meron ba kayo dyan? Okay. I would like to toast for thanking the 18 years of your life and beyond. We all wish you